We saw the candidates challenge each other's ideas throughout the debate, but some of the claims on both sides were off the mark.
The Republican presidential candidates getting down to the issues, but did they get their facts right last night?
This and said through an independent study, is it true that this many people who were in Iraq and Afghanistan may have had some level of some sort of traumatic injury or brain injury or something like this? And in fact, they concluded it was true. And
I'm Josh, and this summer I worked in the iEngage program with my graduate mentor, Gensheng, and our faculty sponsor, Dr. Lee. We worked on creating a taxonomy of political claims. We call it Polititex. Before we discuss Polititex, it may help to present some context surrounding the work. Last year, there was a lot of buzz surrounding fact-checking, and specifically, fact-checking candidates' statements. In fact, one NPR survey of 362 people found that 96% of those surveyed expressed an interest in fact-checking candidates' claims, with 77 out of that 96% being very interested, on a 5-point interest scale with very interested at the top. Now that we've explored some of the demands surrounding fact-checking, let's take a look at how the fact-checking process may be improved. The current approach is structured in the following way. First, claims are found by manually searching through documents, transcripts, speeches, or other mediums of communication. Then, the accuracy of the claim is evaluated after determining the scope of the claim, identifying what supporting evidence may exist, and considering any mitigating factors which may influence the veracity of a claim. Next, all this information needs to be packaged into a well thought out, coherent, and persuasive report. Finally, the report should be published so that readers, or viewers in some cases, may access it. With Polititex, we aim to improve the finding claims step of the fact-checking process. When trying to find claims, we think it may be helpful to quickly determine what kind of claim a particular claim is. Polititex is our work in this direction. We started by manually grouping together claims that were similar in nature. Then, we peer-reviewed our groupings to ensure a high level of confidence with regard to their correctness. Now, we were left with a series of documents and labels. This is a classic text classification problem, specifically a multi-class text classification problem, a standard machine learning task. We then trained 2 different classifiers and evaluated their performance on our dataset. After this step, we chose the most accurate and precise model to apply on a corpus of text. We chose to apply our classifier on a set of sentences that were collected from the debates during the presidential election last year. We first filtered out non-claim sentences using a previously developed algorithm and classified the remaining sentences. Our classifier found that on average, there were approximately 25% more claims made about quantities than actions. Genseng, Dr. Lee, and I would like to extend a thanks to the iEngage program and UTA for enabling us to explore these subjects. Thanks again.